Hello everyone.
This is Patrick. I'm from Myanmar. Today I want to show you how to make pen holder. Are you ready to watch? Okay, let's see.
First, you need to cut the paper each side 20 cm. And then fold the paper each side by side. After that, you have to fold again. This sheet must be folded at the same way as before. Then I will put these two together in the hole properly. For the base, you have to cut 8 centimeters. Be careful to take 5 centimeters in the inside. In here, apply glue to strengthen the bottom. You can use glue stick also. After that, reapply this one. So now, finished.
This is very easy handmade. You can do it yourself. Then, of course, you can give to your friends. So, I hope you will like it. Thanks for watching.